So Anand sir and myself and Max are writing and directing, and
So how's he like when he's directing, Mac? I mean,
he's lovely. I mean,
does he perform?
He gets, it's yeah, he does. He totally
He's
does.
one of those guys.
He
no?
comes in and says, "Arey yaar, nahi, aisa nahi," and he comes in and then sometimes you'll see him watching, and then if he likes it, then he gets bored. He gets frustrated with things, and then he wants to
That's such
change
a-
it. And it's like, yaar, maza nahi aa raha hai, kuch karte hain.
He psychs you out also without knowing it.
Yeah,
Because his
but-
face is telling you everything.
Yeah, but he's also lovely in the sense that he has this ability to kind of be so imaginative and so childlike that he just gets lost in a trance and he just kind of goes with things, and he's so playful. I love it. Like, I'm so envious of it,
Right.
of how playful
And
he
also, he
is.
seems to be unbothered about material gain and all that. He just,
Yeah,
he just
yeah.
does his own thing.
Totally.
He's like a true artist. It's so rare.
He's a true spiritual artist. Yeah, and he used to be a cricketer. Yeah, he was a Ranji Trophy champ.
Ranji Trophy level? What the hell is he wasting his time
Bowler.
in theatre?
I think injury.
How sad.
Yeah.
We could have had another great instead. Now we have another guy in Prithvi who's driving us nuts.